Oh my god, look how beautiful this is. Cooking in the winter. You know, there used to be something called snow. You know, snow? It used to be, you know, it used to be white. It would come in the winter. It was called snow. And snow was when it would be everywhere covered in white and you would walk on it and it would make a noise. That was snow. You know, that was beautiful. That was the smell of the snow, you know, when there's nothing on it, when you just walk on it. It was so beautiful. People would cook in the snow, people would make camps in the snow. Snow was just incredible. But these days, thanks to global effing warming, there is no more snow. We only have heat. Look at this T-bone steak, my god. Cooked to perfection. He's gonna eat with his hands. Oh my god. Look at the snow there, you know. Imagine camping in the snow like that with your dog. You eat with your hands a T-bone steak. Look at this place. My god, my god. What happened to snow? Why don't we have snow anymore, guys? Why don't we have snow anymore? I really, really want snow before I die. You know, speaking of reasons not to kill oneself and reasons to live, for me, I guess one of the biggest reasons to live is snow, is mountains. Mountains covered with snow. And the only way I can have snow again is maybe if I go to very north Scandinavia or something. I have no idea. But where I live now in the country house, it maybe snows 1 or 2 days a year. Isn't that horrible? Out of 365 days, it only snows 1 or 2 days. How horrible is that, guys? Otherwise, it's always hot, hot, hot. I could take my Land Cruiser like this. That's another reason to live, I guess, traveling off-road on the snow with my Land Cruiser. See, there are reasons to live in life, you know, not everything is pointed towards suicide or just ending your life. So maybe I would have to travel, you know, to a far place in order to get the snow and maybe get the life I want. Maybe I need to move to a cold country and spend the rest of my life there. Maybe I need to move to Canada, who knows? Of course, that would require significant financial resources, but because I'm fluent in French and speak pretty good English, maybe I could move to Canada in the road, you know? This is a fully manual, old style Land Rover. It will eventually start, I'm sure. Those old engines, nothing can kill them. Yep, it did start. My god, look at this. What would you give to be able to drive through such snow before you die at least once again in your life? Have you ever done it? Or would it be the first time? Ah, so beautiful, so beautiful. Meanwhile, here I am dying in heat, summer, and the sun is killing me. But thank God for such YouTube videos that we can watch at least people who have filmed. Thank you guys, Mr. Wild, thank you very much, who have filmed the snow, so at least we can watch it on the television, you know, and at least feel the snow through our screens, right? Yeah, it's beautiful. Well, I do hope that someday I would be able to, you know, go to a mountain and maybe make one video like this in the snow. That would be the ultimate fantasy for me. And then do car camping in the snow, spend one night in the freezing cold. How beautiful would it be? How wonderful would it be? It's a definite reason to live. So I guess until I can realize that dream, I'm going to put killing myself to a hold and try with the best of my ability to spend the winter camp. Use my drone to film myself like that with my Land Cruiser going around the winter side in the forest, which is white, covered in snow. Yes, sir, that is the dream, at least before I die. Realize this dream, this is something that could keep me going maybe. After my mother has passed away, that could be something I could do. Who knows, maybe it could be something that will be real and this will be a dream come true. Finding a winter landscape like that and being able to film myself, being able to cook myself in the campfire in winter. Well, let's hope I can make it. I'll see ya when I'll see ya.